Hey, I'm Jacob up here at JTech. I'm gonna teach you how to check oil clearance in the main bearing. So you're gonna wanna pop these two bolts off right here. To the pry bar. And you want to usually clean all the oils and stuff off of the bearings right here and right here. And then what you want to do is get this plasti gauge. Set it in the center right here. Put the cap back on, nipple facing the right way. Tighten it back down. All right, now you want to loosen these bolts back up. Give the cap a couple shakes. Put your pry bar. Try and lift up the cap again. All right. So now the cover that you have from the plasti gauge has a little gauge on it. You want to measure about how thick it is. And it looks to be about 1/6,000 of an inch. So then you want to clean it off. And then put your cap back on, tighten it up, put your oil pan on. And then your oil pump, and you'll be all set.